And on these two, which are the engine housings, we've got to do 2 holes drilled through on those. So with the bradawl and the engine housing, drill the 2 holes through there and there, a bit more so it comes through the other side. Just picking away what's come through the other side. I'm going to do that one more time. These a little bit smaller, the holes on the engine housing. Pick that away from the other side. Hopefully that's enough. If it isn't, we'll do a bit more drilling. So just cut the other piece away with the clippers. One side. And the other. Again with the bradawl. Bit more with that one. It must be slightly thicker. And pick away the other side. Should leave you with a bit more. So you can pick it away the other side. Not yielding yet. That would seem to be about it.